How to create a drop shipping store in 2022 with $0 spent is actually something that's very interesting. Normally, when you think of starting a drop shipping site, the number one thing you think of is large marketing costs. Whether you're dumping that money into Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, any of the ad platforms, it can seem awfully expensive to go ahead and start up. And this leaves a lot of people uncomfortable, not even trying out drop shipping, which is extremely unfortunate because this is one of the best times to be able to do this business. So today I'm going to be going over how to start a drop shipping store in 2022 with $0 spent. You're not going to spend any money in marketing. You're not going to have to spend all this money on apps and all this other stuff. This is a cost-effective way to start drop shipping extremely well, and I'm also very excited to dive in. Before we jump into the video though, I did just want to let you guys know to make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And if you guys want to get any free information or useful tools or anything, I actually have my Discord down below. It's completely free to use. It's a great community in there. I try to answer as many questions as possible, so feel free to go ahead and join my Discord down below. And one more thing is that I'm really excited to announce that over the last 2 months, the reason I haven't been uploaded on YouTube as much is I'm excited to announce that I've officially finished my A to Z blueprint on TikTok organic. This is something a lot of people have been asking, just a very simple A to Z blueprint, start to finish on TikTok organic drop shipping, how to start your store, how to get successful at creating viral videos on TikTok and all that. And so real quick, if you guys are at all interested, I'm gonna have a link down below that for anyone watching this video, you can get $100 off on it as well. I try to make it as affordable as possible so you guys can dive straight into drop shipping with this TikTok organic strategy. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below or in my Discord, go ahead and create a ticket and I'll try to be answering those as quick as possible. But let's go ahead and dive into how you can start a drop shipping store with TikTok organic for $0 in 2022. All right, guys, so the first thing we're actually gonna do is head over to TikTok, okay? And the reason is we're gonna be finding products that are currently up and coming and trending on TikTok or that are currently going well, and we could dive into that market. So the first thing to do is go ahead and obviously you're gonna wanna use TikTok on your phone or mobile device or iPad or whatever. I personally use an iPad, but once you guys go ahead and do this, what you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is go to the search menu right here, and this is just gonna be some basic product research because we are trying to find what is the product that is gonna go ahead and just be first eye impression people will be interested in. Just the idea of this product, people alone. It makes it a lot easier to market a product like this. So something I like to go ahead and do is in the search bar right here is look up some keywords that our other product people or other drop shippers will be using. So a very common one right here is TikTok made me buy it. So we're just gonna go ahead and look up that term right here in the search bar. We're not gonna do anything, and you're gonna notice a ton of videos pop up. And in this in here, there's still a couple more things we're actually gonna do to make sure we optimize to see up-to-date products. Is right here in the top right, you're gonna notice there's a little filter setting thing. We're gonna go ahead and click that right there. And then what we're gonna do is wanna sort by most liked. And then we're also gonna wanna sort by the date posted within the last month. That's what I recommend, last month. If you wanna get super narrow, obviously you could shorten the time frame. But in my opinion, last month will probably be the best, most sought after products so you can get a better idea. So we go ahead and click apply again. There we go. We're gonna start seeing a lot more of the current products. So it's gonna show us some of the most top liked products under these search terms right here. And this right here is gonna be an array of plenty of products that you could look through, test. You could kind of go through wormholes. And what I mean by that is, like, let's say you click on this person's right here, you might go to their page and they might post other stuff. Like sometimes they'll post other products, like this one right here, never pay for perfume. We might go ahead and click on that. They might have done stuff previously. They might have different products. This will allow you to just take a look at what other drop shippers are currently testing right now. Just keep scrolling through, try to find some cool stuff right here. You'll also see some sponsored posts. If they have the little sponsored thing in the bottom left, that means they're actually running ads on TikTok for that product. And usually if they're spending money on ads, that could mean that product is a winner in itself. But yeah, I mean, a lot of really cool things right here. Just scroll through this and just try to take a look. I mean, this is the most basic product research method you could go ahead and do. If you guys want to see a super in-depth product research method that goes over like multiple different ways to find products, let me know down below in the comment section. I'd be glad to go to make that. But for TikTok, if you're doing TikTok organic, this is an extremely easy way to find something that is working on TikTok that you could go ahead and dive into. Now, before I actually did some research on a store I want to go ahead and take a look at that they're doing some phenomenal stuff. A couple things I'm going to critique that they could improve on to also probably increase increase their conversions. So I figured this would be a best case scenario for this video. So right here, we have this beautiful TikTok page called the Charge Cam, okay? Right now they have about 7,000 followers, 75,000 likes, and basically this product, and the reason I wanted to show it is because this is a really awesome example of consistency. Just, you know, even if the numbers are low, just keep making content if you believe in the product, if you actually think it's a winner. Because we're going to take a look right here, and we are going to notice a couple things. Is that they were actually going ahead, they were making a lot of posts right here of you know, some, in my opinion, not the highest quality TikToks. Like, these are not going to go viral. I see a lot of things wrong, like having this big text right there. It doesn't look good. But they were getting, you know, only a couple thousand views a video, and honestly, the views beneath the one viral video, the most recent at 1.8 million views, these numbers could even be a little bit more inflated just because a lot more people have gone to the profile. So I'd assume a lot of these were sitting at between 1,000 to 2,000 views. And then more recently, they actually had a video, and you're going to notice they did a lot of different stuff. And in this video, it's a very just raw video. There's no text or anything. It's not overcomplicated. It's just a good hook at the beginning and them promoting their product. And what this product is it's a charger that you plug into the wall, and it has a little camera thing in it, okay? And then you're able to, with a app, go ahead and see from this camera. It's a super cool product. It's very, very self-explainable. Like, when I pause this image right here, I already know what the product does. I don't need to be explained anything else. And that's something you want to also look for in products, is something that explains itself. I mean, literally, just if it was just the charger, it would just look like a regular charger, but him having his phone right underneath with a view of the living room essentially just goes ahead and shows like, oh wait, that charger has a camera in it, and it's super, super cool. What I personally would have done is maybe even had me in the frame of the living room showing off the camera, because then it would have really connected all the dots. But this gets the job done right here. And so this is their page right here. So let's go ahead, head over to the computer and take a look at a couple things that they're doing well and what they could be doing wrong, and how you could apply it to starting a dropshipping store. So like I said, guys, this is how you could go ahead and do it. So in this instance, let's just say I would want to be someone that actually competes with this product. I really like it. It's most recently got a viral video. The videos before weren't viral. So this would be a good time for me to kind of hop onto this trend and potentially test out this product. And by no means am I saying try this product right now. It's completely up to you at the end of the day. But this, for me, it would be something I'd be interested in testing out. I mean, this video just recently went viral. If we take a look at it here, this was a week ago, and they actually haven't even followed up with another video. So this would actually be super promising for me to enter the market here. So we take a look at the video right here. With the actual TikTok content, when you're starting your organic TikTok organic journey, you really just want to look at what your competition does and do it a little bit better. I mean, in this specific video right here, it's just him talking about how cool this product is. He's able to see all the stuff, and a lot of people actually went ahead and asked a lot of good quality questions in the comment section. They got to be very responsive as well. You could talk about how it's useful for security, and just overall a very simple explanation. And this one, he actually even had, I believe it's his, probably, I assume his mom or girlfriend or something like that, go ahead and also make a review from a female perspective, which could be also a way to angle it, is getting other people's testimonials with this product and posting them on your TikTok page. But here's this right here. Now, the first thing I want to say, they actually did a phenomenal job right here with the bio. The only thing I would change is this right here. It says $45 right there. The reason I don't like that right there is because people might see that instantly, and you might not even be able to get them into the funnel of your website. The price of your product right there could turn people off from actually going to your site. So I would recommend, if anything, just put something else in there, maybe say like free shipping or something like that. But I would not say the price of your product right there. The goal is to get them to your website and then have your website sell them from there. Don't turn them off right here with the price right there. So I will say the only slight benefit to having the price is that people will be aware of the price going into the website. So you might have higher quality traffic going to your store, since they might be aware of the current price of the product at $45. So this is actually the landing page. Now, I gotta be completely honest, I do not like this site at all. I think it's extremely doesn't look the best. Now, granted, this is websites built out for TikTok. This is gonna be mobile viewing. So when you guys are building your Shopify store, you're gonna wanna build it out for a mobile viewing experience. I am on desktop right now. You're gonna get basically the same idea of it, except I mean, it's a couple different things. You can go on mobile to check out this website yourself. I personally am not the biggest fan. I don't like the dark gray background. I don't like the photos they use in the upper part or the header part of this. I mean, I just think it's kind of ugly. Like, I just feel like there's a lot more high quality photos you could do, especially when you have the product in hand. But if you scroll down right here, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Charge cam, they have a ton of reviews on the website right here, which were all imported using different apps on Shopify. And then it's pretty simple. I mean, they have outlet size, USA, EU. They have a little bit of talking about, you know, how to use the product, return policy, secure. And then they also have an image. Now, again, I don't really like the site. I think there's a lot more they could do. They could have like little GIFs and images of using the product. You really want to go in detail about this product right here. I mean, that's the number one thing I feel like they're lacking. But enough about the website right here. What we're taking a look at right now is how are they making money? I mean, that's the biggest question here with all this. So this is a $45 product they're selling. If we add a cart right here, I'm actually not too sure if they do free shipping. Let me check. So there are taxes included, and they actually are charging $2.99 for shipping. And the funny thing is I actually went ahead and found this product on AliExpress right here. And for the US plug edition and the charger camera, you don't need to do a SD card with it at all. $18.65, and it is actually free shipping to the United States, and there are no other shipping alternatives with this supplier right here. So they're charging $47.98 to go ahead and get this product here, Landon. Here, let me move that, but $47.98 right there to go ahead and get this product. That's how much they're charging you, and it's costing them $18.65. So if we do some quick math right here, $47.98 minus $18.65, they are making a astonishing $29.33 per unit on this product, which is just amazing. First off, I mean, I think it looks like a high quality product, and I will say, if it were me, I honestly would not be pricing this at $45. I just feel that's a little expensive for a phone charger. I get it has the camera in it, but I would try to charge truthfully under $30 for this, because the thing is, you want people to just have super confidence. Oh, only $30, let me get that. But I also get the appeal because this is seen as a tech item. They might want to charge a little bit higher quality price so it comes off more as a higher quality product. So I do understand that. Regardless though, if it's working, 1.8 million views, if you get even 100 people to buy, I mean, right now, I don't know if this is literally the exact listing. I mean, it's the exact same product that they currently have on their store right here. This current supplier has 142 orders with this product, so we aren't sure. We're not able to know 100% if, you know, there's a massive increase. I would recommend staying, if you're a competitor and you're thinking about doing this product, watch the orders on this product, see how quickly they go up, especially if they make another video or something like that. Do keep in mind the site. I mean, you could even get an idea because they likely imported the reviews from this to their website right here. So if there's an overlap in reviews from this supplier to the website you're taking a look at, that's your competitor, you could also go ahead and consider that this is probably the supplier they're using. But yeah, there's a lot of other ones on AliExpress, so you might just have to look around right here and just kind of do your due diligence. Just look around, find these products just like that. I found it on AliExpress. I'd recommend personally using like a CJ Dropshipping though, in my opinion, but you can do whatever you want. I also forgot to mention there will be taxes if you use AliExpress. There will be taxes and stuff like that. It is free shipping though, so the total landed price for this product is $20.10. So do keep that in mind right there. It's a very simple thing. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the funnel that they're doing. They're creating viral videos on TikTok, then they take those viral videos on TikTok, send them to their website right here. This is the landing page. You convince people. I think the website could do a lot of reworking to be super optimized for TikTok conversions, because that is extremely important part of this. But yeah, they have the reviews. I mean, they have the basics of it. They have photo reviews right at the top. I'd recommend adding a couple things here to the reviews to make them a little bit more higher converting as well. And then you go ahead and you keep the difference. I mean, it's a very simple strategy. TikTok organic is a super easy way to dive into drop shipping with a $0 marketing cost. And really all you have to do is come up with creative videos and just make videos that your competitors are doing, but a little bit better. So yeah, guys, that is the pretty much basics of TikTok organic. Again, if you guys have any questions, join my Discord down below. It's probably the easiest way to talk to me. I have a way so you guys could create a ticket if you have a specific question, or there's an amazing community in there that you guys could ask a question and someone might reply and whatnot. And again, guys, like I said, I do have my A to Z blueprint program officially live. There'll be a link down below if you guys want to check it out. For people that watch this video, I have an exclusive $100 off offer for you guys, so you guys could go ahead and dive in, take a look, and get started with your TikTok organic journey. But guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and until then, bye bye.